So it is totally official now. We're going to be getting 2 more reimagined Air Jordan releases from Jordan Brand, and I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm super excited about it, especially those Air Jordan 4 reimagined. I cannot wait to see them actually in hand and see what they're hitting for, and hopefully it's not got crazy, quality control issues like the Air Jordan 3s. But let's go ahead and talk about it in today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into yet another video. It's always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, drop y'all comments, and we're going to be premiering this one right here, so I cannot wait to engage you guys down below in the live chat, man. So smack that like button to go for every video. It's 500 likes. You guys have been killing it. Like, I'm talking about crushing it with the likes lately, and that just keeps me motivated to drop more videos for the Vintage Squad, man. So like I said, subscribe right now if you're new, hit that like button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel, man. All right, so it's something I did not know before the actual release. The Air Jordan 1 Patton Breds was the first Air Jordan release that was part of the Reimagined series. I did not know that. A couple of the subscribers told me that in the comment section in some of my most recent videos talking about the Reimagined line from Jordan Brand. And yeah, so here we had it, the first one of the Reimagined, the Breds. I think it was smart for them to do this one first. This is really like the #1, colorway as far as Jordan 1s, in my opinion. I got them beating the Chicago's by like a little bit, like just a little bit. And they did it with the all patent leather upper. And, I was super happy to add them to the collection. You guys seen what happened to the resale. It was super sought after first, then it started dwindling down. But I think that's all due to the fact that, the resale market right now is just in a totally different state. We're in a totally different era. And you can get sneakers like this for right around retail in most sizes, man. And then after the Air Jordan 1 Patton Breds, we got the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's. You guys know they gave us a crackle leather look. It was some quality control issues with these. I don't know as much as for, the Patton Breds, but Chicago's, some pairs have mold on them. But other than that, the pair was pretty pristine, nice colorway. I love the craftsmanship, the crackle leather and all that good stuff, making them look real OG, making them look really vintage, and they execute these very well. I say this is probably the best one out of Reimagined line. Like I said, we still got to talk about them, them Reimagined 4s. Some things might be knocking on the door for the best ones to ever drop in this Reimagined series. And then we lead all the way to, the infamous quality control Reimagined Air Jordan 3s. Check these things out. I'm talking about the pairs I've been seeing on Twitter and Instagram is just crazy. I'm talking about some pairs barely have any cement, effect on the back or even on toe box, and then some people's leather qualities are just absolutely trash, man. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I try to give Jordan Brand the benefit of the doubt, say maybe they meant to do that, but after just thinking about it, after seeing all these pairs I've been seeing, the quality control was just horrible. Probably the worst executed, as far as quality control in a long time. I don't remember another, Air Jordan 3 or even any Jordan in general that had the crazy, quality control issues like, a sneaker of the year like the Jordan 3 Reimagined. So this is the third one that dropped in the line. We'll get to the other 2, but you guys let me know how y'all feel about it. I think they dropped the ball, disappointed us a lot with these. I know y'all probably tired of seeing these, so let's go and talk about the 2 upcoming Reimagineds we will be getting next year and the end of this year. So next we have slated the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. Those will be dropping later this year, I believe in November or right around Black Friday with the Air Jordan 12 Cherries. These things right here, super iconic, and I know a lot of people that love the Royals. Like, they say this is the best Air Jordan colorway. I don't agree with that, but it is a nice, subtle colorway. It's one of the ones that you always grew up wanting, and you cannot go wrong with a Royal and black Air Jordan 1. And these things right here, we're going to be getting them again. You know what I'm saying? That reimagined spin, reimagined vibes. And by the screenshots, by the pictures, by all the mock-ups, it seems like they're going to be an all-over suede Air Jordan 1. And I don't know how I feel about that. Or maybe it's like a new buck upper. I'm not too sure. But I'm not really sold on it yet. Of course, I'm going to get another pair. Been beating these Air Jordan 1 Royals up. Probably can't tell by the camera quality. I'm talking about, I used to wear these things almost every day just because they're super comfortable, super easy to rock. And who don't love a pair of Air Jordan 1s, man? So we got these slated for the end of the year, sometime in November, December time frame. I think they're retailing for $190, I believe. I think they raised it up just a little bit. Put a couple screenshots, put a couple pictures up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about as far as the quality that they're going to be putting on, or not the quality, but the material that they're going to be putting on the Royal Air Jordan 1 Reimagined. I'm copping them. I'm trying to get everyone the Reimagined series, that they do have for us. I already know later down the line, we may see more crazy ones like an Air Jordan 11 reimagined, Air Jordan 10 reimagined, so on and so forth. And like I said, probably one that's going to be knocking on the door for me as the best ones to ever drop in this line, the Air Jordan 4 Breds. Now these right here, I'm not gonna get, you know, too deep into it, but if you guys don't know, you guys go check my Instagram. I went to Paris, you know what I'm saying, and I rocked these same Air Jordan 4s. That's why they are literally beat up, and I just know how or what kind I can expect for a reimagined Air Jordan 4 Bred. Just, you know, all over, you know, vintage look. Probably a little bit of that sandy wash like you guys see with these, a little bit of that, you know, bad quality, probably a couple frays here and there in the material, because this is all over like nubuckish material if I had to put something on it. But you guys see these, I didn't beat these things up. I wore them literally, I only wore this a couple times, but the time I did the most damage in them was when I was in Paris. You guys could tell by the Nike Air on the back, see all that dust, and you know, just they're just dirty, you know what I'm saying? So I can't wait to see them. I can't wait to see how Jordan execute these things, and probably, like I said, knock on the door for the best one to drop, you know, close second to the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. But these things, I can't wait. Add them back to the collection. I wish I would have doubled up on these when they released initially, because there was no resale for these, bro. I'm talking about I walked in the store the same day to drop. Could have got a size 9, could have got a size 8.5. I could have got, you know, doubled up on the same day. But I said, you know what, I'm just gonna grab me a pair. I was out there in Germany, and you know, keep it pushing and keep it rocking. But you guys let me know what you think about them. How do you rank the Air Jordan 4 reimagined with all the other ones? The Bred things, can't go wrong with them. That Bred colorway just iconic, and we're gonna be getting these joints in 2024. I can't wait, man. Jordan Brand ain't slowing down. They're keeping it innovative. They're keeping changing stuff, you know, here and there, and making it a little bit more exciting about copping sneakers. Not just buying the same simple colorway over and over again, making quick little changes, you know what I'm saying, giving a little bit of different quality hits, material hits, and this just make me a little bit more excited as far as, you know, buying sneakers and continuing collecting, you know, sneakers in general. So yeah, man, I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Go ahead and drop all your comments down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think about these upcoming reimagines, the ones we have gotten in the past, and I cannot wait to read you guys' comments, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. And please leave us with a huge like. We're gonna try to get this up to 500 likes. Like I said, you guys have been crushing it with the likes lately. Let's just keep that momentum going. Let's keep that grind going. Let's hit that 100K, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.